Hello everyone, today we will solve a viral equation together. Before we start, you can like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Let's get started. If you want, you can find the correct answer and write it in the comment. First, let's write our equation. Plus 2 goes across as negative 2. X divided by 4 equals 6 minus 2. X divided by 4 equals 4. Here we multiply both sides by 4. X equals 16. Did you get it right? Now, one more example. Pause your video and solve it. I hope you got it right. Now, let's solve it together. Our video was up to this point. This is your question, write your answer in the comment. See you in the new video.